The HOLLUDLE Shaper1 Ergonomic Office Chair is not just another office seat, it's a thoughtfully engineered workstation companion designed to keep you healthy, comfortable, and focused through long hours of work. Merging sleek, modern aesthetics with state-of-the-art ergonomic innovation, the Shaper1 addresses every posture-related challenge, ensuring your body receives the right support exactly when you need it. With intuitive, step-by-step assembly instructions, you can have the Shaper1 ready in just 20 minutes. From the first sight, you'll feel the difference in posture, comfort, and focus, allowing you to work longer without the usual aches and distractions. The HOLLUDLE Shaper1 Ergonomic Office Chair is more than a seat. It's an investment in your health, comfort, and professional performance. Whether you're in a corporate office or a home workspace, this chair empowers you to work smarter, feel better, and achieve more.